What's up, my fellow Mopar family? It's 16 Scatty here today with another episode for Sig Mods. I have these LED lights that go underneath the door. They project different images. This one's a Scatpack one. Yeah, for different ones, RT, SXT. So I'll show you guys how to do it. It's real simple. Check it out. So the lights we have, they're labeled left and right. I believe right will be the passenger side and left will be the driver's side. So we'll find out right now. And they go right down here. So it's a direct plug and play installation. I'll show you right now. And so left side will be the driver one. I mean the passenger one. Left side will be the passenger side. I had these on before, but eventually, like every light, you have to replace them. They give out. So it's time to get them replaced. And there it is. Can't really tell. I'll show you guys a little bit when it gets darker. What's up? We're back. We're gonna check out the results of our installation. Check out the detail on that. Nice and bright. Remembered on Amazon. Different styles. Challenger, Charger. Check them out. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and share it. Till next time, peace.